Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to restart your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. So if you're having some issues and you want to restart your mobile phone, then let me show you how to do this. So here, first you need to go ahead and locate your volume up and your side button. Go ahead and long press on it until you come to this screen. Now here, you have two options. You can power it down or you can go ahead and reboot it. So since this video is to reboot it, go ahead and take the slider and take it down. This will now reboot your phone. So just give it a few minutes. After rebooting the phone, it'll basically ask you to enter in your PIN number. So go ahead and enter in your PIN number and then your phone has been rebooted. Now once it's rebooted, go ahead and enter in your PIN code. And now your phone has been rebooted. So there you go guys, that is how to reboot your Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G mobile phone. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.